So check this out. On a lot of these topics, they have videos here that you can watch. This looks like there's 4 of them. So that's super cool. It talks about when you push play, it'll talk about how to find, fill out the table of values, that sort of thing. You can also change the speed. So once you push play.
This is Mr. Hardesty. Let's evaluate the graph of an exponential
Change it to
function.
1.5 speed.
Graph y equals 5 to the x power. Find the y-intercept and state the domain and range. To graph y equals 5 to the x, we'll use a table of values, and then we'll plot those on the coordinate plane. Let's start.
So it's pretty cool.
And continue.
I don't know if we have to do the domain and range, do we? Let's see. No, we just have to plot the functions. It's kind of nice that he goes over the domain and range, but I recommend that you watch those videos too. I don't know if my videos are helping or not, but it is kind of fun to plot these. Do we have to do an asymptote? No. So let's just look at this really quick. So when x is 0, it's just equal to 1. So 0, 1. When x is 1, we know that it's just 5/2. When x is 2, we know that it's 5/2 squared, which is 25/4. Then when x is -1, we know that's the reciprocal of 5/2, which is 2/5. And then when x is -2, we take the reciprocal and square it. So it's going to be 4/25. And then we can put our graph in and we're ready to go to the next one. So we can just plug in, I think 0, 1, 2, -2, and -1 are the best ones. So 0 is always 1. When x is 1, we just get the 3/5. When x is 2, we just square those, so we get 9/25. Then if you do the negative, you just have to remember that means the reciprocal, so that's 5/3. And then if you do -2, we do the reciprocal then square, so 5/3 squared is 25/9. And we plug in our connect all the points, and that's our exponential function. This is what exponential functions look like too. When x is 0, 0. When x is 1, we get 4, and 4 squared is 16. When x is -1, we do the reciprocal. Oh, I'm going to do the point because I don't want to do. So -1, the reciprocal of 4 would be 1/4. And when we have -2, we take the reciprocal 1/4 and square it, would be 1/16. So that's 5 points, connect the dots, and that's the end of the lesson.